Start with Cosmo. Spray it all around the outside. Then I'm going to use Orange Slice. And then we're going to use Emoji. And we're going to poop out some stars by barely pressing. See them pooping out? We're going to take brownie points, leave it right there, get a paintbrush, load it up a little bit, put a little line right here. So this is just a napkin. I'm going to fold it in half, fold it in half again, fold it in half again, and then pinch it right here and rip it in a semicircle. And this is what I'm going to use as my paintbrush. Hunter Green. Straight right here. Then I take my little paper paintbrush and load it up, right? And then we're going to start up top, sideways like this. And then we're going to slowly start turning it as we go down and zigzag like this. Load it back up. Load it back up. Then I'm going to take some spring green and we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to just use the same napkin. Hopefully I can get away with it. And we're going to add some little highlights. Just lightly tapping, very lightly. I'm going to take a little bit of sun yellow down here, and we're going to do essentially the same thing. Okay, so just tap, 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 tap. You see how the depth of it just keeps improving. Oops, whoops. Whoops. Now we're gonna take some white and spray it, spraying this way, all the way up to the trunk of the tree. Seaside. Take my Sharpie and dip the bottom of it. See? And then dab, 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 dab. Yeah. Yellow. Same thing. Dip and dab. 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 Yeah. Dab. 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 Oops. Whoops. A little soupy. Cool. Magenta. And same thing. Go over here and dab. 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 Yeah. Orange. Dip. And dab. And dab. Yeah. Berry pink. Take this guy. And we'll go right here. Oop. Yeah, it's a bit better. And the last part, some sun yellow and a painting brush. painting. And we're going to add a little star. Go ahead and sign it. And there we go.